This started as a basic IKEA TARVA dresser, and I turned it into this Apothecary-Style piece. In this video, I'm walking you through the full DIY, from prep and modifications to the finishing details that completely elevate it. If you love IKEA hacks, furniture refinishing, and learning how to turn simple pieces into something custom, you are in the right place. After unboxing this dresser, I realized it would be much easier to stain if it was unassembled, so I created this sample stain board to decide what color I wanted this piece to be. I landed on the stain color Driftwood by Minwax. I then sanded down every single piece with 220 grit fine sandpaper, which unfortunately I forgot to record. And then I purchased this pine trim molding. I measured it and cut it down to fit the drawer design that I had in mind, which is creating this multi-drawer look where I have these 4 drawers in one. Then I started the long process of staining, including the insides of the drawers. This is an oil-based stain, so I am using a disposable synthetic brush. I apply 1 coat of stain, and then I wipe it off with a cotton rag. Make sure your space is well ventilated. And while not shown here, while this stain was drying overnight, I painted the bottom of the inside drawers from white to black to elevate the final look. Using a drawer liner here like peel and stick wallpaper would be another great option. I have another video that shows you how to do this if you're interested. I then do some math to equally measure 4 squares per drawer and the center point for the hardware that I'll be adding. On my first drawer face, I use a cabinet hardware jig. Once my holes are complete, I use this as a template for my other drawers. To make this an effective template, I make sure I clamp the pieces together so that they're held firmly in place. I then simply just use the old holes to drill through to make new holes to the panel underneath. In the final reveal, you'll see the hardware I choose are antique brass loop pulls that stick with the apothecary theme. I then work on building the faux looking drawer faces by using wood glue to glue the trim molding into place. For this project, I am using 3/4 inch brad nails to secure the pieces into place. I like these nails for this particular project because they add this complementary finishing detail that just makes this piece look more rustic and more the vibe I'm going for. Now everything is prepped and all that's left is to just build this dresser and top coat it. I love doing these kind of DIY projects because I always find a way to get my kids involved. Here they are both working on their own special paint projects. And of course, they always give me a hand if I need one because, let's be honest, I usually do. Once I have the entire piece together, I pour my favorite top coat into my spray gun and I give the dresser a generous, durable, and protective finish. Now onto the final touches, adding the hardware, 24 pulls to be exact, and my furniture logo inside the top drawer. And this is the finished piece. I love how this turned out. It's elevated, it's timeless, and it's completely custom. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other furniture refinishing projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.